Hello students, welcome again to the online class 10 science. Now today we will learn the acidity of bases as we have done it in the case of acids as well. Acids, in the case of acid it is known as basicity of acids. Now in the case of bases it is known as acidity of bases. Okay, so first what is acidity of bases? So it is defined as the number of ionizable hydroxyl ion present in one molecule of base. Okay, एक मॉलिक्यूल में कितने हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन हैं और यू कैन से हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन हैं, they will be known as the acidity. It will be known as the acidity of base. Let's suppose एक हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन प्रेजेंट है एक मॉलिक्यूल में, so it will be known as monoacidic. On the basis of the production of hydroxyl ion present in one molecule of base, the bases are of three types: monoacidic, diacidic and triacidic. Okay, first monoacidic, as the name indicates, mono stands for one. Let's suppose a molecule of base produces only one hydroxyl ion, it will be known as monoacidic base, and the acidity of these bases will be known as 1. Okay, that means what is monoacidic base? Which produce one hydroxyl ion per molecule in its aqueous solution. And we know that that means hydroxyl ion ka producer when hydroxyl ion is producing when it dissolves in water. That means in its aqueous solution, पानी में जब उसको dissolve करते हैं, then we will have hydroxyl ion. तो हमें hydroxyl ion मिलेगा. So it produces one OH, or you can say in its aqueous solution it will produce only one hydroxyl ion. So the examples are NaOH, KOH, etc. Okay, NaOH, when it dissolves in water, it will ionize. Okay, in the aqueous solution it will ionize to form sodium ion plus one OH ion. So since it is producing only one, so the acidity of NaOH will be 1 and it will be known as monoacidic base. Okay, let's suppose KOH is there in its aqueous solution. What it will form? It will form potassium ion plus OH ion. Okay, potassium ion, OH ion, since it is producing only one hydroxyl ion, so the acidity of KOH is 1 and it will be known as monoacidic. Okay, now moving to a second type, diacidic base. Diacidic base, as the name indicating, di means two, which produce two hydroxyl ion per molecule in its aqueous solution. They will be known as diacidic base. Okay, now MgOH whole twice, CaOH whole twice. Okay, you are saying कि it is having twice here, so they will produce two hydroxyl ion. इनमें 2 लगा हुआ है, so they will produce 2 hydroxyl ion. So acidity of these bases will be 2 and they will be known as diacidic base. Okay, now towards the third type, triacidic base. Name is indicating tri means 3, which produces 3 hydroxyl ion. They will be known as triacidic base. Okay, so the examples are AlOH whole thrice, aluminum hydroxide, ferric hydroxide, FeOH whole thrice. As you are saying, it is having 3 in one molecule of aluminum hydroxide. It is also having 3 in one molecule of 3 hydroxyl ion in one molecule of ferric hydroxide. So it will produce 3 hydroxyl ion and it will produce 3 hydroxyl ion from its molecule in its aqueous solution. So this is all about acidity of bases. The acidity of monoacidic base will be 1. जिनमें एक होगा they will produce 1, तो उनकी acidity हो जाएगी 1 and they will be known as monoacidic. And diacidic, after watching we can say कि it is having 2 ONH hydroxyl it is, तो उसके बाहर से 2 लगा हुआ है, तो you can say it will produce 2 hydroxyl ion per molecule of magnesium hydroxide, or you can say calcium hydroxide. Okay, so the acidity of magnesium hydroxide or calcium hydroxide will become 2 and they will be known as diacidic. And triacidic, it is having 3 on OH, so they will produce 3 hydroxyl ion, and the acidity of triacidic base always be 3. Okay, so this is all about acidity of base. Now moving further to the bases topic, the topic arises what are the properties of bases, that is chemical properties of bases. Okay, so what are the chemical properties? Only 3 are there, but in your course what you have to learn. First, when bases react with metals, what it will form? When bases react with metal, they produce hydrogen gas, as it was in the case of acids as well. Acid भी जब metal का reaction करता है तो वो भी hydrogen gas निकालता है. So here as well, when base react with metal, they produce hydrogen gas. It produces hydrogen gas. Now let's go take an example. Base NaOH plus metal. Let's suppose zinc metal is there. So what it will form? It will form sodium zincate, a salt. Sodium zincate it will form, plus it will evolve hydrogen gas. It is gas. Okay, very very simple. कि when base react with metal, it form salt plus hydrogen gas. इसमें से hydrogen निकाल देंगे तो then you will get to know कि what will be the other product. Okay, now moving to the second one, bases react with acid. This reaction we have learned so many times. Okay, but when base react with acid, what it will form? It will form a neutral substance, that is water. Okay, very very important. कि water is a neutral substance. So हम उसमें से neutral substance निकाल देंगे. What will be left? That will be the other product. Okay, so we have to only release water from it, because water is a neutral substance. Because why water is neutral? Because it is having same number of hydrogen ion and same number of hydrogen ion. अगर हाइड्रोजन ज्यादा है और OH कम है किसी वाटर में, तो it will be known as acidic solution. If OH is greater than that of the number of hydrogen ion, so then it will be known as a basic solution. Okay, very very important कि अगर नंबर सेम है दोनों का तो it will be known as neutral substance. Okay, water is having same number of OH ion and same number of hydrogen ion, and we know that the production of hydrogen ion is specialty of acids, and production of OH ion is a specialty of bases. So this is a part which is coming from base, this is a part which is coming from acid. So why it is neutral? Because they have same number of hydrogen ion and same number of OH ion in its molecule. Okay, so that's why it is known as a neutral substance. अगर किसी की भी अमाउंट ज्यादा होता है, लेट्स सपोज हाइड्रोजन की मात्रा ज्यादा हो जाती है, लेट्स सपोज द हाइड्रोजन इज ट्वाइस देन दैट ऑफ OH ion, सो देन इट विल फर्निश, फिर ये हमें क्या देगा? हाइड्रोजन आयन, एक्स्ट्रा हाइड्रोजन आयन देगा. तो इट विल बी नोन एज एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन. अगर OH की मात्रा ज्यादा हो जाती है तो इट विल बी नोन एज अ बेसिक सॉल्यूशन. ओके, बेसिक सब्सटेंस. ओके, नाउ when base react with acid, what it will form? It will form a neutral substance and salt. It's salt. So very very easy to write the equation. First we will write a base. एक बेस ले लेते हैं, लेट्स सपोज NaOH ले लेते हैं, चलिए, प्लस एसिड H2SO4. What it will form? It will form water, a neutral substance. That's why the reaction is known as a neutralization reaction, because it neutralizes the effect of base, and base neutralizes the effect of acid. After that a neutral substance is produced, that will be known as a neutral substance, and the whole process is known as neutralization reaction. Okay, so what it will form? H2O, H2O. Okay, what is left? NaSO4. NaSO4. Then you will balance. Okay, then you will balance. Sorry, Na2SO4. Because the valency of sulfate ion is 2 and sodium is of 1. Now you will balance. Very, very simple. Okay, how to make a neutralization reaction. The equation for neutralization reaction, it is very easy to remember. When acid is there, when base is there, you have to just only take out water from it. And what will be left? This will be known as salt. And we know that bases are those which produce only acid and base. That means salt and water only. Only salt and water. It is water and it is salt of sodium. Okay, very, very simple. Now the next one and the last one, bases react with non-metallic oxide to produce salt and water. And in all the cases, salt is produced. As it was in the case of acids as well, we have to learn the next product. Salt सब में produce हो रहा है. Okay. Now third one is when base react with non-metallic oxide to produce salt and water. That means base react with non-metallic oxide to produce salt and water. In every case, salt is producing. Very, very simple to remember कि what is producing in which reaction. As it was in the case of acid in the case of acid, salt is produced. Salt was produced. Here as well, salt is producing in everyone. Okay. Now non-metallic oxide first. It is non-metallic oxide. Base react with, so first we will write base CaOH whole twice. When it react with non-metallic oxide, carbon a non-metal and oxide of carbon will be known as non-metallic oxide. When they react, it will form calcium carbonate plus water. Only what we have to remember, we have to take out water from it, and what will be left? It will be known as salt of that. Okay, calcium. Here calcium it is. So calcium carbonate it is calcium carbonate. Okay, and water. We have to only take out water in this case. Water in this case, hydrogen gas. Very, very simple to remember. In the case of acid as well, in the case of base as well. Okay.